I know, I know, I know. Hey, kitty cat. What did you do? You went through the wrong hole, huh? You okay? Huh? Okay?
This cat attempted to get through a gate, but only got its head through before realizing it wasn't a very good idea. Luckily, this man saw the trapped cat and contacted a local rescue team in Los Angeles to help set it free.
Well, half and half.
Well, maybe just, okay, yeah. Hey, Mr. Nash. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
This is pain medicine.
Okay. Thanks, Nash. You try to lube him up with some mineral oil, try to pull the head out. If it doesn't work, we're going to cut the ring out. And then we'll have to take him to the shelter, and we got more tools to cut it out. Thanks. Put it on the body and see. I know, baby, I know. I know, baby. Okay, I'm going to lube up your neck real quick here.
Yeah. With my hand, get it in my hand. More. You mind? I will twist her this way, you twist her this way, and see how it will work.
Let's put some more of this on there, though, just so we get the head, too. You ready?
The head.
I got it.
Pull. Hold a second. Go ahead.
Yep.
Go ahead. Hold. Wait. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Twist it this way.
Got it. Hey, Paul, we got her.
Hooray!
Yeah.
Let's stick it to the show.
Okay.
Luckily, somebody was there to help that cat. Head back tomorrow for another episode of Not All Heroes Wear Capes.
All right.